Hi traders, welcome to today's market update. My name's Joseph, coming to you from Eightcap. So we're going to just go quickly over some of the main things that happened overnight. Trade continues to be the key driver and influencer of the markets. There was some negative views coming out last night, and this saw some strong pullbacks in gold, reversals in oil, and pretty strong fade in some of the risk currencies to safe havens after some really solid rallies during the London session yesterday. So as noted, US stocks did increase overnight. Let's have a quick look at the US 30, which is a CFD of the Dow Jones, and we can see last night's session gains weren't as strong as Friday, but we did have another edge up into further records on the US 30. Going back to gold, sorry, that was oil. Going back to gold, we can see that really strong fight back yesterday from what was a $10 decline. Once buyers got going, that reversed and we had a strong move back up. It was a $3.88 rally and finished the day in positive territory. So looking at gold now, we do have some resistance here. If buyers are able to break above that and close around this level, we could start to be seeing a short-term uptrend in gold developing, so one to watch, but this is still the area that needs to be beaten by buyers. We're just going to have a look at oil. Oil fell on trade worries overnight, so we saw a 1.55% drop, and we're seeing a bit of a consolidation building in oil, so we're just going to have to see and give us some time. I think that traders will be looking for pretty clear-cut resolution in the trade deal before we see some really strong gains out of there like we did see on Friday. So at the moment we're seeing support at this level here, and there's still resistance from this level up to this point, to this high. So today's key news that came out of the Asian session was the RBA minutes. We'll just move over to the Aussie dollar. We saw a decline after the minutes, so it would be basically the RBA was saying that nothing really positive on the rates front. Also probably some worries about the current wage stagnation that's in Australia, but one of the positives that's coming out recently is the building sector that has picked up, with the housing market picking up also. So we did see so far today that the USD has strengthened. We have seen a rally up against the CAD, so this trend still remains in play. If we do see further selling down to here, there's going to be some serious pressure, but now we really want to see a break above this level just to show that buyers still have plenty of momentum and are still very keen to take this market higher. Currently at the moment though, the dollar is lower to the Japanese yen, but we're in a consolidation here and there's not a lot going on right now. We're going to have a look at some of the pound pairs. We saw that fade from the high yesterday. Again, we're going to be keeping an eye on this one as we've had a really nice extension higher and then we've pulled back at highs, but as of yet this market is still in a short-term uptrend. So if we do see a lower high develop out of this resistance fail, we could see a short-term pullback, and we'll be looking then to see if a high low forms, and if we have a new move up to test that high. The the pound to the yen, it did break out above that high setback in late September, but the market quickly pulled back later in the session. So again, this is a wait and see. Yes, we did break above that range, but for now we do need to give this market some time to show clear direction. At the moment, stock-wise today, the ASX is up by 0.19%, but the Nikkei is tracking lower. It's down 0.51%. Governor Kuroda from the Bank of Japan came out and said the economy momentum has taken a hit, and that didn't do wonders for the Nikkei this morning. We're going to finally just move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin made a strong move lower yesterday. It was around the 4.27% point. It also broke below 8580. Now we were watching this level to possibly come in and show support, and we could see this support here, which quickly gave way and led to this very strong, quite a strong decline, which is just over the 5% point. So Bitcoin right now is in a short to medium term downtrend, but we'd really be waiting to see how the next counter rally goes and what happens if it does return to this level. Will we see new support come in, or will we see further selling to test this low? But at the moment right now, we just need to see the next counter rally, where does it end, and if this does become a lower high, or if it doesn't become a lower high and gets failed and broken, a higher low and gets broken again by sellers. So Bitcoin is basically in a bit of a worry at the moment, because we did really want to see that level hold. So we'll just see what happens now with this low. So that's it for today's Asian session update. We do have some medium impact news coming out tonight, but there is no high impact news. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic trading day. Bye for now.